this, how do I reduce the mobile phone addiction, right?
Uh,
So we had three ideas. So one, we did the combine idea. So we are combining the problems together of that is for the kids as well as for their parents. So what happens is, like, we have seen that the kids generally take the habit of their parents. So if the parents are already almost time on the phone, then, like, they also try to cultivate that kind of an habit. So, right, and then all chatting, and then, like, surfing and everything start happening. So like combining these two habit, like what we are trying to solve is, like, as soon as you enter your home, right, so you just keep your mobile in your drawer. That's it. So, like, if the parent starts cultivating that kind of an habit, right, I mean, at some point of time your kids will have to move to that particular zone. So that was something we thought of.
ideas, guys, really great.